Smile though your heart is aching. Smile even though it's breaking. When there are clouds in the sky, you'll get by. If you smile through your pain and sorrow, smile and maybe tomorrow you'll see the sun come shining through for you. Light up your face with gladness, hide every trace of sadness. Although a tear may be ever so near, that's the time you must keep on trying. Smile, what's the use of crying? You'll find
Every child deserves a beautiful smile, yet millions around the world in developing countries are born with clefts. These children need cleft surgeries, but they come from poverty-stricken families that cannot hope to afford such surgeries. They lead difficult lives, many unable to speak or eat. They're not allowed to attend school or hold jobs. These children don't have hope to live normal lives, but through the Smile Train, you can give them that hope. The Smile Train's mission is to provide free cleft surgery for millions of poor children in developing countries. It takes merely $250 and 45 minutes for these operations to take place, but these children's families cannot afford them. Donations to the Smile Train organization go directly to these children in need. Give the greatest gift you possibly can, the gift of a smile. For this year's Project for Awesome, I promote the Smile Train organization, changing the world one smile at a time. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for making the world a better place. It's a wonderful feeling, knowing that some people out there don't forget to be awesome.
if